Welcome to this week's edition of Cardiovascular Updates, covering the latest breakthroughs. Brought to you by Lucid Quest, this update highlights: a large-scale Alberta study brings encouraging news. Medication adherence among cardiovascular patients improved slightly during the COVID-19 pandemic. Analyzing data from over 500,000 Albertans, researchers found that usage of statins, beta blockers, and ACE inhibitors remained steady or even increased. Proactive healthcare messaging and early intervention strategies likely played a vital role. In Texas, Hendrick Health is seeing real-world benefits from remote monitoring in heart failure management. Using the CardioMEMS device, clinicians can now track pulmonary artery pressure in real time, allowing them to adjust therapy before symptoms escalate. The result? Fewer hospital visits, better outcomes, and a higher quality of life for patients. Meanwhile, a new study raises concerns about popular low-carb, high-fat diets. While trendy, these diets often contain excessive cholesterol and sodium, while lacking essential fiber. Researchers observed that real-world adherence to such regimens correlates with unfavorable lipid profiles and elevated cardiovascular risk markers, reinforcing the need for balanced nutrition even in restrictive diets. On the cognitive front, recent findings highlight a troubling link between heart failure and accelerated mental decline. Patients with heart failure aged cognitively by up to a decade within 7 years. Older adults, women, and white patients were disproportionately affected. Experts now advocate for early cognitive assessments to become a routine part of heart failure management plans. The Conform IDE trial has reached a significant milestone, enrolling its 500th patient. This pivotal study evaluates the Claas AcuForm device, developed to reduce stroke risk in patients with non-valvular atrial fibrillation. Designed with an adaptable structure and simplified delivery, the system is one-third of the way to its 1,600 patient goal. In public health news, the American Heart Association is calling attention to the digital divide. While wearable devices and tracking apps can enhance cardiovascular health by monitoring activity, diet, and sleep, access remains inequitable. Cost barriers, limited digital literacy, and racial disparities continue to limit the impact of digital tools for underserved populations. Artificial intelligence is also making significant strides. A deep learning model trained on over 200,000 ECGs has shown remarkable accuracy in detecting type 1 myocardial infarctions and predicting the need for revascularization, closely matching the diagnostic power of high-sensitivity troponin testing. This advancement could play a critical role in emergency department decision-making for non-STEMI patients. In regulatory news, the American Medical Association has approved CPT codes for Caristo's AI-driven CaRi-Heart technology. This enables physicians to detect coronary inflammation early through perivascular fat analysis from routine CT scans, a breakthrough in proactive heart disease prevention and risk stratification. Another milestone comes from CardioVia, whose ViaOne system has received FDA clearance. The device enables minimally invasive epicardial access without using exposed needles, dramatically reducing the risk of heart perforation during arrhythmia treatments. Backed by clinical data and recognized as a breakthrough device, this innovation represents a major step forward in procedural safety. And finally, a powerful new collaboration between Deepc and mbits is helping to accelerate stroke diagnosis. Their combined platform, featuring MRay ViaCore and Deepc OS, performs automated perfusion analysis in under 3 minutes across both CT and MRI modalities. The seamless integration into clinical workflows promises to improve speed and accuracy in stroke care. Stay ahead in cardiovascular research. Like, share, and subscribe for weekly updates. Visit www.lqventures.com or email us at info@lqventures.com for expert healthcare consulting.